I always liked it when Yogi Berra said he was lucky because he didn't have to die before he had his own museum. And I compare myself, I'm lucky too. Our mini art gallery is slowly turning into a museum. But I'm lucky also because I get to see history repeating itself. And I'm referring to printmaking history, how 100 years ago, when industry was no longer profitably using their equipment, they began to, junk it, and publishers picked it up and printed small editions of original fine art prints, and that was the invention of my field, printmaking, fine art printmaking. Now history is repeating itself because another kind of printmaking, 3D printing, is, you might say, being cast off by mass production and filtering down to small, inexpensive 3D printers, which is allowing a whole new generation. And I'm thinking about kids like me in their second childhood, adopting these inexpensive printers and all the modeling software that they need to make original prints in 3 dimensions and multiple colors, and distributed worldwide over the internet in the form of STL files and such like that. And I get to be there. I'm there, and I'm having a ball. I gotta tell you, thanks for watching. Oh, and I forgot to mention that here I am out on a Sunday morning stroll, and in the mini art gallery where we keep the 3D printer going, it's working away, printing another color and another layer and another part of one of my prints called the We Play press. And that's a whole nother story. Keep watching, you'll see it all unfold, and you can watch history repeating itself. How industry casts off its tools and so forth, and creative artists and including kids and their families, can use these tools for creativity and imagination and entrepreneurship. We call it kidpreneurship, but that's a whole nother story. Thanks for watching again.